Rudwin's mom. You don't help him.
What we should do?
Take your slate, write these three numbers, 8, 9 and 10. They have to draw the beads accordingly.
Okay.
Rudwin, circle. Circle varenga Rudwin. Mitra, 8, 9 and 10 finish. Good morning, Mavisha. 9 means 9 beads you have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, Rudwin. Erase it. Now write alphabet A, Rudwin. A எழுதுங்க Rudwin. A. Rudwin is writing with right hand or left hand, Rudwin's mom?
Right hand, ma'am.
Okay. A எழுதுங்க Rudwin. Good boy, Rudwin. Others finish drawing the beads. Mitra, number 10 also should finish, Kanna. Why have you drawn only the line? Beads varenga, Mitra. Ten means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Wait a minute, Kavi Kartika. Show me a slate. Kavi Kartika, who is near you? Ask them to check whether you have done it correctly. Check பண்ண சொல்லுங்க whether you have done correctly. Dashwan, big beads if you draw. How will you finish for 9 and all? Huh? Turn the slate this way. Space will not be enough if you draw in this way. Slate திருப்பி பண்ணணும். Very good, Vihan. Correct? Vihan has done correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Good, ma, Vihan. Karuneshwar, finish?
No, ma'am. Writing 10, ma'am.
Okay. Dashwan, erase it. Yes? Dashwan, erase your slate, Dashwan. Turn your slate this side. Kavi Kartika, okay, ma, very good. Dashwan, அம்மா ஸ்லேட்டை இப்படி டர்ன் பண்ணி கொடுத்து வரைஞ்சு கொடுங்க. இப்படி இருந்தா உங்களுக்கு ஸ்பேஸ் பத்தாது. So turn the slate this way. Very good, Visha. Wow, good, Visha. Finished all of you. Now the next set of numbers will go. Very good, Taruneshwar. 8, 3, 9. Correct, ma. Good. Good, Taruneshwar. Well done. Those who have finished, erase your slate.
Ma'am, Rudwin has written up to L, ma'am.
Ella, show me. He himself is writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good improvement, Rudvin. Super, Rudvin. Good boy.
Thank you.
ருத்வின்க்கு ஏதாவது இன்னைக்கு வாங்கி கொடுங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
இப்படியே நோட்லயும் எழுத வச்சிடணும் அவ்வளவுதான்.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Very happy to see Rudvin. Am is very happy to see your writing.
Thank
Good
you.
boy. இப்ப நம்பர்ஸ் எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம் ருத்வின். அழிச்சிட்டு
Okay,
நம்பர்ஸ்
ma'am.
எழுதுங்க. ஹேண்ட் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க ருத்வின் அம்மா.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ஓகேவா? நல்லா புரியுது இப்போ. Finished everyone. Those are finished. Erase your slate and keep it clean. Jason, no space. Big beads you have drawn.
No, ma'am. He's drawing the beads inside another beads, ma'am. So getting confused.
Okay.
மேல வரையணும்.
Children, from here, everyone listen here, children. From here you start drawing, children. From the top, if you draw, you will have no space. So from here, from below here, if you start drawing, you will get enough space here. You can arrange it accordingly. But when you start drawing from the top, no, you will not at all get space.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am, finish my ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma, Madhuvanti.
Ma'am, finish.
Very good. Everyone finished? Okay, now clean your slate, all of you. Now you know how to draw the beads, right? Hazel has finished?
சொல்லு.
Ma'am. She has drawn it.
Achucho, Hazel.
You are very small.
குட்டி குட்டியா வரையணும் Hazel. Small you should draw. Very good. Jason, good, but overlapping. Okay, no problem. Okay, now another set of numbers. Clean your slate, all of you. We are going to draw this and find out which number is big. Okay? The first number is 2. And the second number is 6. First number is 2. Second number is 6. Now draw the beads accordingly. 2 means you will draw only 2 beads. 6 means you will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. கீழ இருந்து போடுங்க. Then only you will have space. Dashwan. Star வேண்டாமா Dashwanuக்கு? You don't want star? Star வேணும் இல்லையா? Come on, draw. Good boy, Dashwan. Very good. Finished. Good. Now we have finished 2 and 6, right? Yes. Which has the more number of beads? எதுல நிறைய beads இருக்கு? 2 or 6?
இதுல நிறைய பீட்ஸ் இருக்கு.
Which has more beads? 2 or 6?
வாயில சொல்லு. அதுதான் அது என்ன நம்பர் வாயில?
Number, what number is that? Yeah, good morning Keshav. Good morning Sukhi. Good morning Sara. Yes. Okay, now all of you mute yourself. Mute yourself and tell me which has more beads. எதுல நிறைய beads இருக்கு? இந்த நம்பரா இந்த நம்பரா? This number or this number? 2 or 6? Huh? Which one? 2 or 6?
சொல்லு.
எதுல நிறைய beads இருக்கு? No one knows. Chucho, Visha, Madhuvanti, Keshav. Yes, 6. Yes, 6 only has more number of beads. Okay. Mahini, எதுல நிறைய beads இருக்கு? 2 லியா 6 லியா? Which has more number of beads? 2 or 6 ஆ?
சவுண்டா சொன்னதானே கேக்கும்.
6. So 6 is the bigger number. Circle number 6. Very good. Okay, now next set of numbers. Okay, erase it. Next set of numbers 3, 5. 3 and 5. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which has more number of beads? எதுல beads நிறைய இருக்கு? This one or this one? எதுல இருக்கு? 3 லியா 5 லியா? Which one? 5 la. Very good. 5. Very good. So 5 is the greater number. Bigger number. Bigger number or greater number? Both are same. Now draw and come on, identify. Sukriv also do it. Take your slate, write number 3 and 5. Draw the number of beads and identify which has the more number of beads. This only 3 is there, but this 5 beads is there. Very good, Madhuvanti. 5 is the greater number. Very good.
முறை சொல்லணும்.
Very good. Visha, good. Don't circle that ma'am has circled. You don't circle. You identify and circle. நீங்களா கண்டுபிடிச்சு சர்க்கிள் பண்ணனும். ஓகே? மேம் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. நானும் சர்க்கிள் பண்றேன். You should not circle. Okay? Show me Keshav. Very good Dashwan. Very good Keshav. Good. Jason, do it. Finished. Hazel. Good. Which is the greater number, Hazel? Which has more number of beads? 3 or 5?
Hey, the 3 or 5?
Children, when you draw like this only, you can identify. See here, here the beads is very less, but here till here it is there. Okay, but when you draw big, no, both the line will look together. ரெண்டும் ஒரே மாதிரி தெரியும். Then you will not be able to identify which is bigger and which is smaller. Okay, so draw small beads. Then only the height will differ. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா see the height 3 number here only you have, but 5 you have till here. So which has the more number of beads? 5, obviously. Like that you should draw. Hazel's mom, like that you tell her 3 you erase and draw one more time, Hazel. Otherwise they'll get confused. They will not be able to identify which has more because both the lines are same.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Finish up, Dashwan. Yeah, good. Good, Madhashwan. Is now I'm going to give you a sum. You yourself are going to do. Ma'am is not going to circle the number. You yourself will do. Number is 1 and 4. Which is the greater number? Find out. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Circle and show it to me. Draw the beads and circle the greater number. பெரிய number எதுவோ அது circle பண்ணுங்க. Circle the greater number. One and 4. Let me see how many of you are doing it correctly. We'll finish off with this and start our session. Time up. What, Madhuvanti? Show me, Vihan. Which is the greater number? Very good, Vihan. Good. Well done, Vihan.
எதுல நிறைய இருக்கு சொல்லு.
This small one.
Yeah, I saw Vihan. Very good.
Take mom, take mom.
Welcome. Madhuvanti, finish your activity, Madhuvanti. 1 and 4.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish up. Show me 1 minute. Let me pin and see you. I can't see anything. 1 minute. Which is the greater number, Madhuvanti?
Greater number.
You didn't circle the greater number. Circle the greater number. Greater number circle பண்ணுங்க. Mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Yes, Dashwan. Correct, Dashwan. Good. Very good, Dashwan Velan. Very good boy. Visha also good. Very good. Now you know how to find out greater number. Yes, Supreet Gautama. Who finished? Radhyani. Very good, Radhyani. Don't look at others and circle, children. You yourself should identify and do. Okay? Very good, Keshav. Well done, Keshav. Very good, Kavi Karthika. Very good, Jason. Yes, who's that?
Mitra, ma'am.
Ananya, very good. Mitra, very good, Mitra. You found out 4 is the greater number. Very good. Well done. Taruneshwar, good. Ananya, good. Mahilini, finish, huh? Circle the greater number, Mahilini. Why are you staring at ma'am? What happened? Varsha, good morning, Varsha. Good morning, ma. Sukri, finish?
Yeah, ma'am, Sukri finished now.
Show me. You are able to identify, yeah, which is greater?
He's not saying greater, he's saying that it is bigger. And he's
Okay. Bigger or greater, both are same only, so no problem. Yeah, good. Very good, all of you. Well done. Clap hands for yourself. Everyone has finished correctly. Very good. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. From Monday, anyone can memorize Kidsy Anthem and say it every day. Okay? From Monday. Join your hands, close your eyes. Ananya, repeat after ma'am today.
See action current.
Okay, ma'am.
Kidsy Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Very good. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Very good morning to everyone. Yes, Rudven, Tarneshwar, Dashwan, Ananya, Sara, Radhyani. Good morning. Good morning, Visha, Keshav. Good morning, everyone. Okay, come on, stand up for the warm-up activity. Yeah, good morning, ma. Sukhdev. Good morning. Stand up for the warm-up activity. Run, all of you, run. Very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back, children. என்ன சொல்லணுமா? தஷ்வன், என்னாச்சு தஷ்வன்? Very good, Dashwan. What? Here I am. Very good, Hazel. Next. Very good, Jason. Next. Very good, Keshav. Next. Yes, ma? Very good, Radhyani. Next. Very good, Rudwin. Next. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Next. Very good, Ananya. Next. Sukri Gautam. Very good, Sukri Gautam. Next. Very good, Visha. Next. Very good, Makavi Kartika. Next. Very good, Mahilini. Next. Very good, Mamitra. Next. Very good, Taruneshwar. Next. Varsha, sorry. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Next. Very good, Vihan. Next. Very good. Children, clap hands for yourself. A big round of applause. A louder applause. Why? Why ma'am is telling you to clap your hands? Tell me. Why? Yeah, ma'am, clap பண்ண சொன்னேன். Yes? No absentees today. Very good. No absentees today. Yeah, everyone is present. Very good, Itra. Well done. Good children. Very good. Very good. Parents, by the time we finish our rhyme session, I want 1 glass of water. If it is a transparent glass, well and good. And quarter teaspoon of salt and sugar. And then black channa. Black channa or white channa, whatever you have. Channa or any solid material like this.
Need salt
We'll
and
finish.
sugar, ma'am.
Salt and sugar quarter teaspoon, and any solid material like this. It can be cashew, badam also, whatever you have. I have taken channa, whatever you have, you can use it. Just 3 or 4 is enough. Okay, children, we'll finish our rhyme session. Okay, let your parents prepare it. We'll finish our rhymes. First is, today we are going to do roly poly. Okay, roly poly, roly. All of you do the action. Come on. Roly poly, roly poly. Up, 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 up. Up means up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Down means where you'll clap down. Roly poly, right, 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 right side. Which is your right side? Right hand, right side. Which is your right side, children? Don't look at ma'am and do it maybe in a reverse order. Which is your right side? You clap in your right side, okay? Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, front, 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 front. Front, all of you. Roly poly, back, 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 back. Clap backwards. Blah, back. Roly poly, big, 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 big. Roly poly, small, 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 small. Roly poly, tall, 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 tall. Tall means you're like this. Your mummy and you, if you stand together, who will be tall? Your mummy is tall, right? And you're short, okay? Roly poly, short, short, short. Short na kullama irukkuறது. Tall na உயரமா இருக்குது. Tall, okay? Short means down here. Short, short, short. Roly poly, fat, fat, fat. How will you show fat? Fat. All of you show me fat. Yeah, very good. Fat, fat, fat. Roly poly, thin, thin, thin. Thin means ஒல்லியா இருக்கிறது. Very thin. Thin, thin, thin. Roly poly. Keep your hands like this. Open, open, open. See, my hand is opening. Open. Roly poly. Close, close, close. Now my hand is closed. Okay? Roly poly. Slowly, slowly. Roll your hand slowly. Slowly. Roly poly. Fast. Really fast. Very good. One more time. Okay? From the beginning. Okay? You all should do the actions. Okay? Roly poly. Up, up, up. Roly poly. Down, down, down. Roly poly. Right, right, right. Roly poly. Left, left, left. Roly poly. Front, front, front. Roly poly. Back, back, back. Roly poly. Big, big, big. Roly poly. Small, small, small. Roly poly. Tall, tall, tall. Roly poly. Short, short, short. Roly poly. Fat, fat, fat. Roly poly. Thin, thin, thin. Roly poly. Open, open, open. Roly poly. Close, close, close. Roly poly. Slowly, 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 slowly. Roly poly. Fast, fast, fast. Very good. All of my children are very good children. Okay, now stand up. Let's finish our road counting. Stand up, all of you. Yeah, ready? Shall we start? 1. Jump, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. All of your water is ready. Water, sugar, salt. Everything is ready? 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 Yeah? All of you are ready? Thumbs up if you all are ready. Thumbs up. Who is not still ready? Yeah, let me have some water and come back.
அம்மா உப்பு சரக்கு அம்மா உப்புல சரக்கு உப்புல தண்ணி இருக்குதான் நான் பார்க்கணும்.
Don't add anything now. No one should add anything now. First, listen what ma'am is going to teach you. Okay? Today's concept, what we are going to learn. This is the science time. Science time. Okay? Mute all of you. First, all of you mute yourself. Yes. Then only you can hear me properly. Okay? Science time is soluble, insoluble. Soluble na ennadu? What is soluble? Soluble means if you put some material inside the water or any liquid material, it will dissolve in water. Water la pottingna adu karanju poirum. That is soluble. Okay va? When you put an object inside the water and adu karayama irundaduna, that is insoluble. வாட்டர்ல போட்டு கரைஞ்சிருச்சு உங்களால திருப்பி அதை எடுக்க முடியல அப்படின்னா that is soluble. Okay, if you are dropping it inside the water and you can take it back, திருப்பி எடுக்க முடியுது அப்படின்னா that is insoluble. Okay, so we have a glass of water. All of you have a glass of water. Now what ma'am is going to do is I am going to add some salt inside the water. You don't do it, children. 1 minute, see what ma'am is doing and then you do it. Okay, I'm going to add some salt inside the water. Look here, and I am mixing it well. Yes. Now can you see the salt inside? Salt தெரியுதா உள்ள? No, salt தெரியவே இல்ல. Why? Salt is, you cannot see the salt inside the water. Why? கரைஞ்சிருச்சு. Very good. ஏன்னா அது dissolve ஆயிருச்சு, கரைஞ்சு போச்சு. Okay, it is soluble. That means it is soluble. Okay, now I am adding black channa. I told no, I brought black channa. This I am adding inside the water. Black channa ma'am water kulla add பண்ணிட்டேன். Now can you see the black channa inside the water? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because this channa is insoluble. கரையாது waterல. Okay, that is insoluble. You can put the spoon inside and take it out. But salt you cannot take it back. Salt மறுபடியும் எடுக்கவே முடியாது. You cannot take salt. But this channa you can take it out. Why? Because it is insoluble. Channa is insoluble. Salt is soluble. Okay. Now all of you have salt in your hand. Take your salt in your hand. Mix it with water. Take salt and mix it with water. Slowly do it. Don't spill the water. Mix it with water. Nicely stir it well. Nicely stir it well. Can you see the salt inside? Can you take it out? Can you take the salt outside? வெளியில எடுக்க முடியுமா salt? No, you cannot take it out. Why? Because it dissolved in water. தண்ணில கரைஞ்சு போச்சு. You cannot take it out. That's it. Okay. Now what solid material you have? Channa or badam or cashew, whatever you have, drop it inside the water and stir it well.
One by one.
உள்ள போட்டு நல்லா stir பண்ணுங்க. Put it inside and stir it well. Now can you see the object which you put inside? badam or channa or cashew, whatever you have. Can you see it?
Yes.
பார்க்க முடியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Answer, children. Everyone can answer. Can you see that? Can you take it outside? வெளியில எடுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Take it outside. Try to take it outside.
Yeah, like that.
Take it outside like this.
You, Mama.
Take everything outside one by one. Keep it separately.
What's it?
Finish that? Took out everything? See, badam, cashew, channa, stone, all these things, it will not dissolve in water. Okay, so those are insoluble materials. Okay, but salt, sugar and any flour material, that is maida, atta, rice flour, what corn flour, whatever it is, those are all powder materials, right? Powder materials are when you add in water, it will dissolve in water. You can't take it back. எடுக்கவே முடியாது திருப்பி. Now all of you took out the solid material. No? Now add sugar inside it. Now add sugar. Add sugar in the water. Ma'am has also took out all the channa and ma'am is also going to add sugar now. Now add sugar. Stir it well. Stir it well till it dissolves in water. நல்லா கலக்குங்க, நல்லா ஸ்டிர் பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Yes, now if you see, you can't see the sugar inside and you can't take it out also because sugar is soluble. Sugar is soluble. When you add sugar in water, it will dissolve inside the water. So sugar is soluble. Okay, now you understood soluble and insoluble.
Ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now all of you repeat after ma'am. Soluble.
Soluble.
Insoluble.
Insoluble.
Which is insoluble? All of you show me. Which is insoluble? எது insoluble? எது waterல கரையவே இல்ல? Which is insoluble? Show me all of you. Take it in your hand and show me. Which is insoluble? Very good, Mahilini. Cashew. This is channa. Channa, cashew, badam. Very good, Hazel. All these are insoluble. Sukri Gautam, which is insoluble?
Which is insoluble? எது insoluble? கல்லையா சுகரா?
Color.
மேம்ட்ட பார்த்து
Very
சொல்லுங்க.
good. Okay, ma. Okay. Varsha, which is insoluble, Varsha? Which is insoluble?
அப்பா வந்து நம்ம அப்பாவுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுக்கலாமா?
Keshav, which is insoluble? Keshav and Varsha, which is insoluble? Take out and show me. Very good, Keshav. Varsha? Varsha is playing, Playing with water, Varsha.
She's trying to take it out. Which is insoluble?
Okay. Very good. Well done. Very good. Now you know which is soluble and insoluble. Soluble na தண்ணில போட்டவொடனே dissolve ஆடும், கரைஞ்சிரும். Insoluble means it will not dissolve in water. கரையாது. Okay? Very good, children. Keep your glass aside. Everything keep it aside. Clean your place. Clean your place.
அது தண்ணி நல்லாவே தடிச்சா உப்பு போட்டதெல்லாம்
You cannot drink that water. Salt and sugar. Pour it down.
அது குடிக்க கூடாதுன்னுட்டாங்க. நல்லா இருக்காது.
Keep it aside, children, all of you. Recap of community helpers.
ஐயோ கம்யூனிட்டி ஹெல்பர்ஸ்ல யார் யாருன்னு உனக்கு தெரியும்ல? Who are community helpers?
Ready, all of you?
ஏய் கம்யூனிட்டி ஹெல்பர்ஸ்னா யார் யாரு? டாக்டர்,
Can you see my screen, everyone?
policeman, அப்புறம் cobbler, carpenter,
No, ma'am.
Nova?
I'm not able to.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
சொல்லு.
Yeah, 1 minute, parents. I'll check.
Postman.
Yeah, 1 minute, children.
Angel.
Now, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, wow. Okay, thank you. Community helpers. Okay. So, I've already taught you community helpers. First is doctor, nurse. Next is, who's this?
Right.
Firefighter. Everyone can answer, children. Firefighter. Next. Okay, next. Very good. Carpenter. Very good. Carpenter. Next. Painter. Barber. Very good. Painter and barber. Good. Next. Plumber. Very good. Plumber. Policeman. Very good. Policeman. Very good, Sarah. Next. Traffic police. Very good. Power cut here, so I am not able to share the screen. Okay, so next is sweeper. Next is sweeper. Sweeper, you can't see, children, because I'm not able to share my screen. Okay, sweeper, cobbler, postman, and teacher. Okay, who's the teacher? Who's the teacher? Yeah, they work in schools. Yeah, Vanilla ma'am, very good. They work in a school. Okay, let's do our worksheet. Come on, all of you, take your worksheet. Worksheet number is D18MT. D18MT. Number 19 worksheet, children. Write today's date. Today's date is 2929-7-2121.
புரியுமா பென்சில் எடுத்துக்கோ. அந்த பென்சிலா எடுத்து எழுதி பார். 29 டேட் எழுதுங்க. தம்பி டேட் எழுதுங்க கீழ. டேட் trees, buildings, traffic safety, trees, road. Then 2929. 2.
Circle the group of 10 and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 9, 19. Sarah and Rudwin can continue with the worksheet they have left out.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, are you all prepared for the talk time, children, tomorrow, family? Yes? Parents, are they prepared for talk time?
Still
Yeah,
preparing
ma'am.
Preparing.
yes, ma'am.
Only 3 sentences or 2 sentences is enough. No need to pressurize them. Okay. Just they can dress up like that, and any 2 or 3 sentences is enough.
If I say him like you are father, then he says no, I am Jason.
Jason, this is pretend play. Okay. Talk time. Like acting, you have to do. You have to act like your father. Okay, Jason?
Grandmother.
You are going to dress up like grandmother. Ah, okay. Very good.
Very good சொன்னாங்க முதல்ல நான் பேர் எழுதிட்டேன் அப்பவே
They have
And
to
tomorrow,
talk about them or they have to act like them.
acting, talking also is there. Acting also is there. If you want to act also, you can do.
But they have
Whatever
to
you
talk.
can do, you can. Yeah, they have to compulsory. Yeah.
Okay.
And tomorrow, as well as we are going to celebrate Friendship Day, so you can either buy a friendship band or else creatively, if you can do a band also, you can prepare it. Simple one. That will do. One 9 19. Spell and write, children. 19 19.
बोलो मुझे बात हुई
19 19. Children, how are you all writing your 9 number, children? 9, like small letter A itself, you have to start, children, like this. See here, a curve, go up, come down. Like A will write, no? Small letter A, like that itself, you start writing it. Like this, go up and come down like this. 9, okay? Many of you will write standing line and put a curve. Don't write like that, okay? Like small letter A, you have to first write a curve, go up and come down. Okay? That is the correct way of writing 9. A curve, go up, come down. Very good, ma. And today's homework will be this sheet, D02CT. Note it down, parents. D02CT. This sheet, day 02. You have to just color and send it. Okay? Those are finished. Take your next worksheet, children. 1 minute. I'll tell you the number. JR culmination 1 PS worksheet.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll show you the worksheet, children. This one. This sheet. Have to find out correct A here. A, B, C, D, E is given. So in this line, which is the correct A? If you see, you can find out ulta A, and then A is in sleeping order. So the correct A, wherever you find the correct letter, the way of correct writing way, have to circle it. Okay? Someone do it fast, children. Finish, huh?
Page number, ma'am.
Page number is JR culmination 1 PS. This sheet. All of you have the worksheet, huh? Is there anyone who is not having the worksheet?
No, not down.
Yes, very good. Jason finished, very good.
Not sit down. I don't know. No.
Very good. Well done, Makesha. Good. And today's homework is D02 CT. In the beginning itself, you will have a house picture. This one. This will be your homework. Children, color it properly and send it. Okay? Color it differently. Square, different color. Triangle, different color. Rectangle, different color. And you have a oval here. Okay? So everything different colors you have to give. Okay? Color it and send it to ma'am. And that's it for today. Yeah, that's it for today. Very good, children. All of you have done very well. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, Solomon.
Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, children. Bye-bye. Bye, Madhvanti. Bye, Ananya. Bye, Tarneshwar. Yeah, very good, ma. Bye, Taraneshwar. Bye, Dashwan. Bye, Kavi Kartika. Yeah, bye, Kavi Kartika. Bye, Dashwan. Okay, bye, ma.
Ma'am, let's collect on, ma'am.